I'm going to show you how to use a clipboard analog horror cartoon video creator. The step. First of all, after everyone bought this clipboard, then people will press this start command. After that, there was a start order. It's going to give me 15 topics. People will choose one of these 15 topics. I'm going to pick this 15 topic. Well, after choosing the topic, he will give me a voice script. 251 words. We'll click next. To go to the writing section, prompt create pictures and prompt create video. The first thing it came out of is this character creation prompt. There will be 2 prompts with 2 characters. Use GIF for the scene creation section in step 4. If there are 10-14 a photo prompt, there will be a 14 prompt video creation. For each of those photos, well, we're going to go to the next step, which is to create images. We will copy each of these forms. I will create 2 characters first. Back to BA. We'll switch to this image creation section. This number and transfer the model. We will paste the prompt here. And we're going to click create. When it's done, it will produce an image like this. We'll go back to the clipboard, copy the command to create character number 2. We're going to go back to this clipboard, to the image creation step for each scene. In this step, we will copy each image. We're going to go back to BA and continue. Press the image creation form. Add a character photo to this add 2 characters. We're going to start creating. So after we've made the first picture, then we'll have pictures like this. We'll save each photo. Keep coming back to the clipboard and copy the prompt to create image number 2. We're going to use the button to reuse this command, and we just need to change the command here. At this stage, everyone will do a 14 photo creation forms. So this part is the same. So I'm going to go through it quickly, waiting for the video to be made. So we'll go through the script. We will copy each one. Copy this whole elephant script. Here we'll paste the part. The elephant script here chooses the voice. I'm going to use Minimax here. We're going to create a voice. After you've made these 14 pictures, people will come back to this chatbot. Then the 5th step is to make a video. So I'm going to go back to that part of BA. I'll add the first picture here. We'll add photos. We'll paste the command here. After placing the command, we will switch to the video creation section. From this frame rate the number of videos you want to create this. If I choose this model here, I will choose it. Model VOBA dotted 1 shot, and we're going to start running. Then, when it's done, it will produce videos like this. We will download each of these videos one by one. We will continue. Come back, clipboard to get the next video creation prompt. I made all 14 videos. Well, this is the same step. I'll just fast forward. I've made 14 videos. Then everyone will leave. All of these videos are in the editing software. Here I am using CapCut, and we'll download that. The voice that we just finished creating. The Miller family of Blackwood, New Jersey, recorded their youngest daughter's 8th birthday party on a standard Panasonic VHS camcorder. The tape was recovered 24